Welcome guys, so today I am with Xiaomi Redmi 10C and I want to show you a few camera tricks. So the first, we are going to start from the volume buttons. They are right here, and when you click for volume up or volume down, you will take photo with 2 seconds delay. When you click and hold, you are going to record short video. The same for volume down. And when you click and hold your shutter, you will get the same function. And when you click on the screen, you are able to adjust brightness level. It works almost on every mode, so we can decrease or increase brightness level, and also we can make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. Another feature that you can use in this phone, you can tap right here and you will be able to pick different filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature. Next, we can tap right here to get more features. We can change shutter delay between 3 or 10 seconds. So when you pick 3 seconds, after this time the photo will be taken. Let's turn it off. You can also enable grid lines, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. As you can see, they appears on the screen right now. When you click right here and go for the settings, you will also find few useful options. For example, when you scroll down, you can turn off this shutter sound. So right now when you take photo, you will be not able to hear that sound. And we can go back, and we can also use option tap to take photo. So right now when you hold the phone like that, you can just tap on the screen once and the photo was taken, as you can see. Let's go back for the settings. Let's find out what you got here also. Okay, honestly, there's like nothing special. We can for example open the customize tab where we can change position of each mode that we have on the phone. So for example, if you want to get this additional modes like 50 megapixel mode, you can click, hold, then drag, tap on the right upper corner to save, and as you can see right now, you will get additional mode in this place, so you don't have to go for the more modes and then choose it. You can just make it right here straight. So this 50 megapixel mode also allow us to get more details on the photo. So let me just show you. Let's make this comparison between these two modes. There was the normal mode and the 50 megapixel mode. So that's the photo taken with the normal mode. Looks not bad. You can spot a few details, and this one was taken. Okay, that's actually terrible, and I don't know what is going on here. Maybe I just moved the phone. Let me just make it one more time. Okay, the photo was taken. Okay, so as you can see in this mode, we cannot find actually like more details. It's just like, I mean, this mode allows us to zoom in more close, but we don't have extra details when you compare this normal mode photo. Oh no, there was this 50 megapixel, so that was the normal one. Okay, so actually this mode is not working properly, because in the most smartphones, when you get the 50 megapixel mode, you get really more details on your photos. So yeah, that's all for this Redmi 10C. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.